When we had this conversation, we said all the people who accompanied Ng'eno, including the pilot, we will extend government support to all of them. And we will oversee all the requirements that are needed for their decent interment and burial. So we will carry through that spirit. We will, hopefully, I think the committee will provide leadership on the mass that we will have, the joint mass between Ng'eno and his staff. And then we can handle the pilot when the family tells us how they want that done. I did agree with the governor of Narok that he goes ahead to handle the matters in Narok as we deal with the matters here in Nairobi, so that this can come together in a seamless manner. So again, Melly and your team, you have our goodwill to coordinate the whole of this exercise for our brother Ng'eno and all the other people concerned. And the good gentleman from OP will act as the liaison to make this process move as it should.